Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring your network and hardware are ready. Plug the Xbox into power and put the laptop on the same Wi-Fi network. Or better, connect both via Ethernet for stability. Install the Xbox app or connect an HDMI capture card to a USB 3 port. Once done, sign into the same Microsoft account on both devices and enable game streaming in the Xbox settings so the devices can discover one another. Once connected, make detailed choices to balance quality and responsiveness. In the Xbox app or console streaming options, pick a resolution and frame rate, 720p for low latency or 1080p/60 if your network and capture hardware handle it. If you use a capture card, select the HDMI input and confirm signal format, then open OBS. Add the capture device as a source route audio from the card, set encoding to X264 or hardware accelerator, and choose a sensible bitrate between 5,000 and 8,000 kbps. Now finalize and go live or record. Start the stream in the Xbox app or click Start Recording/Start Streaming in OBS. Make sure you select the capture device or Xbox window as the source. Monitor performance and, if you see lag, reduce resolution or bitrate and close background apps to free CPU and bandwidth. If you get no signal, check HDMI cable and port, verify the capture card input and drivers, and make sure the firewall is not blocking Xbox or OBS so the devices can communicate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.